So I've been using these tools as trading journals: Edgewonk, Tradervue, and Notion. And today I'm here to break them down and help you pick which one's best for you. First up, we have Edgewonk. It's a dedicated trading journal software with a one-time fee of $169. Edgewonk shines with deep analytics like trading simulations, psychological tracking, and performance forecasts. You can import trades from brokers or enter them manually, and it's great for spotting patterns in your trading habits. It's desktop focused, so no mobile app, but it's perfect for serious traders who want detailed insights. Next up, we have Tradervue. This one's cloud-based with a free tier for up to 30 trades a month or paid plan starting at $29 monthly. It's user-friendly, auto-generates charts for your trades, and has a community feature to share and learn from others. It supports stocks, options, and forex, but lacks the advanced analytics of Edgewonk. Ideal for active traders who value simplicity and social features. Finally, we have Notion. It's not built for trading, it's a customizable workspace app with a free tier or $8 monthly for premium. You can create your own trading journal using templates, adding tables, charts, or notes. It's super flexible and works across devices, but it's manual, no auto imports or built-in analytics. Best for DIY traders who love full control. So, which one wins? Edgewonk is the champ for in-depth analysis. Think experienced traders refining strategies. Tradervue nails simplicity and community, great for day traders or beginners wanting quick feedback. Notion's the budget-friendly, flexible pick for creative traders who don't mind extra setup. If you want automation and power, go Edgewonk. Prefer ease in sharing? Tradervue. Love customization on a dime? Notion. Check the charts below for a quick rundown, and that's it. Pick what fits your style and happy trading. Like and subscribe for more tech tips.